Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the HSL color in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import any image into Adobe Lightroom. So as you can see, I have imported this image. If you want to import this, simply you have to click on the import, and then you need to choose the image, that which image you want to import. And after that, simply we have to go to the develop section. And after going to the develop section, as you can see, has the option for the HSL color. So we have to click on this. And as you can see, these three options are provided here. Now, if you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. Like if you want to increase this hue, it will be increased. If you want to increase the saturation, you can also increase that, and the luminance also increase that. And if you want to change the color mode from here, you can also do that. Like the color will be like this. For example, I'm going to choose the bluish one, and it will be like this. And now if you want to increase this again, as you can see, the picture is being changed. So if you want to reset this, simply you have to hit the reset, and all the things will be reset as it was. So in this way, you can use the HSL color mode in Adobe Lightroom. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.